clip.
I'll show it. What belt is that?
Hello, vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Joe.
Oh, hi guys.
What the fuck? Yo, the pain.
Oh my god.
No way.
Yo, some bird poop. Poop on it.
Yo.
It's cooked, bro.
Oh.
Rust. Rust.
No, it's just
Yo.
It's not rust. My paint is peeling. It's not. This is underneath. This is primer.
Wait.
And that's the metal.
What
So
if
this
they
is
wrap that shit?
over? This is not the wrap, right? No, this isn't wrap. Wrap isn't like this. Yeah, it's just paint.
Damn.
What the fuck? Yo, that's $5 right there, bro.
Damn, bro. TN car broke down.
Bro, I don't like fries like that.
First bite. It's good.
Yo, this is
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Ooh, double. Ooh. Alright, bro.
So, your turn.
Alright, send train.
Nice. Nice. Shit, boy.
Reach over.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine
Come on, one more. Last move.
for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
bro. You can muscle it, bro.
Oh my.
My strength.
Oh.
My fingers can't grip in there. You're both red. I can't. A whole lot of red, yo. Oh.
Feet on, you're good. There you go. Nice, come on. There you go, come on. Right, heel goes, yep. Oh, nice, come on. Nice, Alex, Max, come on.
Alright, Mr. Sajad's leaving.
Alright, bro.
This is
I'll see you guys.
See y'all later.
Bye bye, vlog.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill. Top 10 respect.
Nah, we don't need that though. Imagine being layered up, bro.
Holy shit, look, you're a savage.
See that? I just did parkour.
Do more parkour.
Watch this. From yellow to yellow, okay? Fuck! Alright, Tian. You're coming, right? Live camping with us?
Oh, fuck.
Live camp? I like how we celebrate after everything now. It's just natural.
Like it's a climb.
Yeah.
Like, good shit, bro. Good shit.
Good shit, bro.
Good shit, good shit.
Good shit, bro.
Live.
Come on, I know you got work to do, bro.
I do got work to do. It's cold as shit, though.
What do you mean? We're going to the library. It's okay. You can go home. It's okay.
Yeah, if I drive there, it'll be like 8 already, and then
You can wee wee here.
we'll still party. Alright, let's y'all going to the library tomorrow?
I'll be there like in the middle of the day.
Yeah, I'll be there. Alright, I'll see you guys then.
Alright, bye to you.
See ya, subscribe.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye bye.
He's leaving. Got free parking.
Bro, there's one right there, bro. To the lib. Meet up with some peoples.
I feel like a cameraman.
Us business majors, it's difficult. But you're the freaking alexxlacc, dude.
I'm a cameraman, you. Today we're going to VCU library to do a lot of homework and not procrastinate and not fuck around because we're good academic student scholars. Any words? No. We went to Starbucks. All the way up. No way, it's just third floor. Oh, what the fuck?
I have a mini grill, guys.
Huh? What do you mean? With like a... We're gonna waste our time. Bro, we've been looking through this more than we've been studying. Come on, bro. What are we doing now? Is she at the front? There's no way.
Wait.
Oh, we did.
No, never mind.
Wait, is that not her?
Is it? I don't know.
It is Anne. Okay, use the couch to block it, okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Let me see the camera. Let me see the camera.
Oh my gosh. Open the door.
Wait, what's the code? Wait, it's not working.
I'm gonna turn.
Oh, some random white girl. That's on me.
Hello.
Hey guys.
Oh my god, hi Anna. Hello.
How much I like you.
Yeah.
Too sexy, bro.
Holy shit. Your sales better skyrocket.
Yeah.
Better sell out.
Hey, yo. Or you can do like a little 360 or some shit.
Hit my shit. Dude, I'm getting ass shots and down the road. Oh.
Hey, don't
It tastes the same.
I let it be fat.
Hey, mình không có cheese.
Right here.
Ram City một ở chỗ đó kìa.
Fuck.
Trời đất ơi, không muốn đi.
Emily, there's literally 2 strawberries in here in this big ass bowl. Because I'm gonna cut the strawberries and put it in there.
Put it in what, bro?
Put it in the bowl again.
I thought you said you were gonna cut up those strawberries
And put it back in.
and put it in there. Ready?
Is skipping faster than running?
I'm the coolest kid on this block.
Cheese acquired.
Unfortunately, we had to shred it ourselves, but bro. Anna, help us, bro. Bro, how do you not have a cheese grater?
I mean, we just chopped that, so we nice.
Yeah.
Ooh.
There's super fly right there. Okay, if it's 2 Fritos, we need to 3.
I think we're supposed to use a bread mixer.
No, we don't. That's good. I think it's more water.
Nah, it's good. We just gotta fold it in now.
No, I don't think you fold it. Folding is for like, you feel me?
Hey, Baker, Emily. Do you fold biscuits or mix biscuits?
I don't fucking know.
You biscuit.
I've never made biscuits.
Emily, do you happen to have gloves?
If you look under.
Underwear?
Oh, is it underwear?
This is a shot, but it definitely goes off. Oh, you saw that.
Oh, look how many microplastics are in the cheese.
Oh, great.
I should have wet my hands.
How was that not Minnesota Ball? That's a wish ass challenge. Yeah.
Should we make multiple biscuits or one big one?
Multiple, bro.
Oh.
I need to oil my hands up now.
Okay, I'll oil you up.
Okay, good. All right, ready? All right, now I need a tray, yeah. Anna, please. Sorry. I think it's down here. Go in here. This one. I want to put it on.
Yeah, so many chances to come back.
Okay, number 10.
Yeah.
10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like 58 neutral. It's a little smaller than the first one. Perfect.
There's more of it.
I forgot, bro.
Microwave it.
I forgot that these gotta bake and then this is gonna get cold, bro. Let me just microwave. Keep it in the microwave.
Alright.
Wait, it's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy shit, bro. Alright, can you do the shock trace?
So that's on you.
There we go.
No, you do it right when you get out.
I get the wall, I'm like, well, no, I'm gonna do that. I have no confidence.
Ooh, these guys are good.
He's
I'm eating it.
I'm going to.
Please,
Please, I need this.
How do you so good? Ayo. Bro, he's so tall, his head almost hits the door frame.
It's so freaking powerful. I'm taking this one.
Alright.
Should we just split this?
Head to the hot.
Oh.
Okay, bro, don't touch it, bro.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Bro, stop tweaking.
My good.
Actually?
Uh-huh.
I'm here. A little late.
The biggest of AF. It's okay. Now we're gonna look cool walking. Or we're gonna look like.
Oh yeah, the DSA meeting by the way, guys.
Yes. Oh, they're still inviting. Hello, welcome.
Can we tell you guys how to been to PSA before?
Oh my gosh, who are you?
You want to be in the vlog?
I think we're early. Yeah, that's early.
What's up, bro?
A little bit.
Alright guys, this is an OG spot. Oh, I'm gonna pull up that picture. Like all four of us. This way? Oh yeah.
So that the weather today was really beautiful, which means that today's gonna be a great GBM, am I right?
So we're gonna have our icebreaker. So it's gonna be this or that, be a version. Okay, so it's gonna be two options, and so depending on the option, we're gonna go to that side of the room. And if you're unsure, just pick the one you prefer more. And I might ask you why you chose that, so just be prepared to say why.
All right, let's have everyone play. Y'all
All
gotta
right, everybody stand up. Everybody stand up.
Stand up.
Come on, hey. Go over there, bro.
Nah, I'm gonna stay over here.
Ready, say it.
No, don't
say it. Actually, I wanted to.
So over here we have 1 mile quick, and over here we have. So let's go over here. So why did you pick 1 mile quick?
Cause it tastes good.
Okay. That's it? Nothing else?
Why does it taste
Another
good?
reason?
Why does it taste good, Alex?
Yeah.
Oh, it's too niche. It's coffee or like the ones with the toppings at Bamboo.
What?
Vietnamese coffee or the one that has hella jellies and toppings in it.
Oh, I'm saying over here. We should give it to. We should give it to this dude.
Oh, Trish is here. What the fuck? Where'd she come from?
Money, dude.
Why the hell is she here?
Hey, let's go. Yo, Trish has to say something.
It's better because you can put like different foams with it to make it cold foam to make it better. Like, you
Coffee will stain your teeth.
She said coffee will stain your jeans.
Alright, next. And if you want to be a little this semester, fill out this one. There's one more announcement I'd like to make. If you're joining Spring Semester Fan Week, I surrender!
Wait, stop screaming your dad's name.
Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a sophomore majoring in nursing.
Hi, I'm Annie. I'm a junior majoring in business marketing.
I'm Ryan. I'm a sophomore in pre-dental hygiene. Pre-dental, not hygiene.
Yeah, it just ended.
It just ended. They probably thought you were so short until you stood up and you were like 7 foot tall.
This guy's evil. He's rubbing the receipt on it.
No, bro. I don't want that box no more, bro.
Oh, you're evil, bro. I was about to say, we just got a new box. We're good. He rubbed it on us.
This guy's estrogen maxing. You want to come next time?
When are y'all going?
Whenever.
Let me know and I'll see if I can go.
Alright, I'll text you then.
Yo, come on.
Thank you everybody for watching the video.
Okay, thank you everybody. Make sure to subscribe
And like the video.
and like the video. And like the video.